Hi guys, welcome to our video once again, and today we're gonna learn about how to make more space on our PC and how to make it more faster than earlier, right? And how to free up the waste material and make a more space to deal with more data, right? So here we have my hard drive and here is my SSD. So you can see how much space is available, and with the changes I'm gonna make in this PC, you will get that this space will get and more for us. All right, let's begin the video. So first of all, there are two types of data you store here. First of all, that first one is you get and data from apps, and another one you get from the folder or the data you download, right? So let's clean first up. So first of all, we will click Windows plus R, and here you have to write first temp. So this will take you to the temporary files. You have to select this all, and just you have to delete this. These are useless files, so you must delete this thing. Alright. Again, we're gonna click Window plus R. I repeat, Window plus R. Alright. We're gonna put percentage sign and backside as well percentage side. This is gonna take you to another folder. This all folder as well we have to delete, and we delete this folder. Alright. See how much space we're gonna skip all this thing. Which file does not get and deleted. See you how much space you get in this. Alright. Alright. Once again, we're gonna write prefect. This is gonna take us. So click on continue, and this all file also we have to delete. These are useless file which get stored in our data and make our PC slow to work. So do same, it will be helpful for you. So whatever the things we have deleted, these things get stored at the recycle bin. So make sure you go over here as well and delete all the datas once again. I'm gonna delete this thing all. Alright. Meanwhile, it gets deleted. Let's go to the okay. It got deleted, and here you will see and change. Next thing, we have deleted the datas. Make sure you delete this download folder file as well, whichever the things you don't use frequently. Alright, and like this Android Studio is available for me, so I can delete this if I don't use most of the time. Desktop also you have to check, right? Document file also you must check. Videos folder you must check. This brings this will clean up the more garbage in your PC. Alright. Let's go to app data part we have covered. Let's delete some garbage from applications. So we're gonna type system setting. Okay, not here. So now we will go to the setting part of this, and we'll open this, and we will go to the storage part. Storage setting. Here we come. and we will be getting all the temporary files that we mostly don't use, so it's gonna scan for us, right? All right. So the app I use is in 22 GB. Videos I have is 4 GB. So these temporary files I can delete as well, right? Because I don't have any kind of use of this. Alright. So if I want, I can delete this thing. These are the unused part. Alright. See. How much space is available? It's almost delivery files are files that are previously downloaded on your operating and can be deleted if currently unused. Right. So you can delete these files as well. I can delete so it free up and more space on my PC and remove file. This removing and garbage also will speed up your PC for your personal use. And that's it. Let's see. Does it showed any positive response in our? Oh, that's great. From 68, it's in 73. All right. And we can also uninstall some application if they are not necessary for us. All right. Let's see. So we have to filter it by in size, which application took a lot of time. Lot of have a lots of size. So this whichever application is not in use, you can uninstall it. I must say. So for me, it seems like everything isn't important. I don't have any much more application, so it's already a fast one for me. And this you would like to uninstall. There is no size for it, but still, if it's not in use, that you should remove it. So make them. So that's it, guys. Hope you. So in this way, your PC will get a little bit fast, alright, and it will remove garbages, and that will be leading to your PC runs and more fast, right? So hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends so that they also get benefits of this. And if you have any query, you can ask me over here, right? I will share my link for you all. Thanks for watching our video. And yes, we are going to meet in the next video with a new topic and